10:40. Oh my gosh. And I need to be out of here by 11:30. So, and I need to get food and get dressed and get ready. So, for the fit, I think we're gonna do black pants, black turtleneck with black booties. And I think we're gonna put this on top. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm super in a rush, but I got dressed. I did my hair, I did my makeup. I'm wearing this like long sweater vest, and I'm wearing leggings from Aerie. I'm wearing booties from Steve Madden, and my black turtleneck is from Shein. Guys, first class was such a success. Luckily, I have Anais in it with me, but even if I didn't, that class is so fun. Like, I love my professor already, and it's kind of giving me like high hopes for my next class. So besides that, we're going to see the new One World Center cafe thing right now because I have like 50 minutes to my next class and I kind of want to see it, so I'm going to record it for you guys. Okay, we got ourselves some sushi. I didn't film it because I was really hungry, so I just like grubbed it down. But I got a shrimp tempura and chicken dumplings, so that was good. But anyways, now we're walking to class. It's an NSC, so it's gonna be really crowded. But I don't know. Last time I thought I was gonna be in a smaller classroom, but it was actually a bigger one. So let's see this time. Thank you. Okay guys, so we're done with classes for the day. I think I'm gonna try to get some Jamba Juice. Hopefully the line isn't too long, and then I'm gonna go back to my room, review some syllabi, and do some like business work. But yeah, I think like last semester I didn't have any classes in person, so I was in my room 24/7, and I'm feeling positive about this semester. But so far today has been really good vibes. The weather has been, nice for the fact that it's winter and we're in Buffalo. But yeah, I'm definitely feeling excited, and I know you guys aren't going to see this until the end of the week, but I hope you guys are having a good start to the semester as well. And I'm walking by the One World Cafe thing, so it looks pretty cool actually. I think the video that I recorded was like a little bit shaky because I was a little bit awkward in terms of filming it with a bunch of people in there looking at me, but that's okay. But I will update you guys whether or not I get Jamba Juice. First day of classes is over. I'm not going to talk about the fit for today because we have some plans later. Not plans, but like activities later. So we'll still be dressing cute, but I'm going to take off my shoes because I'm going to get hurt. But stay tuned for the fits this semester. Okay, I'm actually trying, but the fits at least this week because I am going to try really hard to dress nice and to like look stylish, because when I look good, I feel good. Guys, look at my new headphones. I've never had headphones like this before, and I'm really excited. But anyways, We're gonna go get some food from Sizzles really quick, just because I have a meeting in a little less than an hour. Just because SU is farther and they close at 7, so I'm going to go to the atrium instead. Hopefully the lines aren't long. We'll see. All go like down. Okay, I came back from dance practice. I showered, took off my makeup. I'm in my pajamas. I have class tomorrow morning at 9:30, so I'm gonna try to wake up at 7, do some work, and then get ready for class. And I have to find it because I don't know where tomorrow's class is actually. But anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep. I think it's like 11:30. Otherwise, I'm going to go to sleep, and then we'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I have class at 9:30 today. I think it's like 7:30 right now. So I'm just gonna get dressed and get ready so then I can just like do some work. I want to leave at 9 because yeah, I have to be like leaving at 9 so I can walk to the bus stop because it's like in Talbert. It's like farther on campus and I don't know exactly where that building even is. So hopefully the bus cooperates and it doesn't like take forever to come. But anyways, this is the sweater that I'm gonna wear. It's like crop-ish, but I need to find pants, so let's do that. Okay, I like the look of these better, but these are more comfortable. And they have 2 big holes, so I usually wear them with like leggings underneath them. Okay, it kind of took me forever to get ready, but this is the final makeup look. I think it's cute. My skin hasn't been acting right, but I think today it's like a little bit better, so. Guys, today's outfit of the day is fire. We're wearing these jeans from Fashion Nova. We're wearing this like turtleneck from H&M. And then it's my shoes. They're from L'Atelier. They're so cute. And all of my jewelry is from H&M and studs. And for purpose of the video, I was holding this bag, but I'm not going to take this because like, can I hold anything in here? No. So let me hurry up so I can go get breakfast, catch the bus, get to class on time. And I will update you guys maybe when I'm like leaving to, or when I get breakfast, yeah. Update, I look crazy. I had to run from class. Well, I had back-to-back classes and I had to run from both of those classes back to my room because I had a phone call. And now I'm kind of waiting on another phone call. But I have class tonight at 7 o'clock. School is so packed today. There's literally someone walking on top of the lake. No way. What if that just like... Okay, I don't know if any of you guys go to Buffalo, but like there's literally someone walking on the lake. Like that's a whole lake. Like I know it's probably frozen, but like God forbid. That's so scary. I wouldn't even do that. Oh my God. I hope they get home safe. That's scary. Anyways, I had to share. Anyways, I cleaned my room. I made like a little cute aesthetic video, even though I have to get rid of that stuff. Girl, I don't know how I'm going to survive this 2-hour class right now because I'm already tired. I'm gonna get food hopefully to fuel me, but you know how the itis works. Okay, hi guys. I was in such a rush. I didn't even get to film having dinner with Serena and Julie, but the Moe's line was so long. So we ended up getting Tim's. So I have my blackberry mint refresher, but now I'm going to my class. I'm gonna go look for it because I don't know where it is. Okay, I'm trying to find this class. It's like Capon class and I've never even been in the honors college. I think this is where the One World Cafe is. Yeah, okay, it's over there by those doors, I think. Hopefully, I mean, I'm early, but I just wanna like know where it's at. 112, it's definitely gonna be a small classroom. Cool. So it's been a while. I've been actually editing this YouTube video. So I'm trying to finish whatever I filmed from today. That way it's like less work on me at the end of the week. But I think I'm gonna end today here. It's 11:30 and I'm getting kind of sleepy, so I'm just going to finish a little bit more and then just like go right to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Let's decide what I'm going to be wearing today. So I have the two outfits that I wore yesterday and today I already planned out, but today I don't know. And I'm not gonna just start dressing ugly. It's Wednesday, we need to keep going. So I have these pants, which I kind of want to wear. And they're from H&M and they're like ribbed, but they have the little like open thing on the bottom. But I think I'm gonna like use these as like the styling piece to base everything else around them. Okay, so it's been a little while. My room is a mess because I've been trying to find something to wear. I did my hair and my makeup, which I think this part is fine, but I don't know. I'm trying to find something to wear with these pants, and I'm wearing this now with like my black booties, which I'll probably film better later, but I don't know. I'm just gonna clean up my room first because it's already 10:40 and I need to start getting ready to go. So yes, that's kind of what we've been doing, but just wanted to update you guys because who knows, I'm gonna end up wearing this. Okay, I was able to get the perfect outfit. I'm wearing this like red crop top with like these ties on the bottom with the pants, and it's like a long sleeve too, but I have to like hide my bra a little bit or else it like shows. But anyways, okay, now I'm late. So we're gonna run to go to wrap it up quickly, get something to eat, and then I'll go meet Anais on the bus to go to class. Alright guys, just chilling in the Commons right now. I'm currently editing my YouTube video while I wait for Sophia to get out of work so we can just like sit together for a little bit at least. I got some Starbucks. I got the mango dragon fruit refresher, but yeah, I'm just chilling and editing. Have a little bit of things to do. But I got a lot done this morning, so I feel accomplished. I just have to do like small school assignments later on and make some phone calls. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to update you guys. I'll show maybe with Sophia maybe a little bit later. So hi vlog. So update. I haven't been feeling good. I had like a headache, so I took a nap a little bit, just like laying down, and then I got some food. So right now I just took a shower. I'm gonna head over to the next building over to make some choreo for tonight. So I can I'll probably record some stuff. But I can't give away too much. But yeah, before I go, I need to hang up some posters, and there's like these little like flyers that are not supposed to go up on campus. So as an RA, we gotta get rid of them. So I have to take those off because I saw a few in the hallway. I just didn't get a chance to take them down. But besides that, that's all we're doing. It's been like a whatever day. Like I was just really tired in classes and stuff, but I can't say tomorrow will be any more exciting. But I just kind of wanted to update you guys on what I've been doing for the last like 5 hours. I don't know exactly how to get where I need to get. I think I've only been there once. Wait, actually, I think I have to go this way. I think I can cross over the tunnel to get to Evans. Yes. Yes. Because it's raining outside. And I didn't want to walk. I see it. Evans Quadrangle. I'm wearing my ID. Okay, I'm gonna go and bother Anais. If I remember correctly, I think to get to that place, I need to go this way. And I literally have no clue. I wanna say, I don't know. I wanna say 2, 3, or 4. So I'm gonna press all of them. Because I'm just gonna stick my head out and see. Because I literally have no idea. I hear people, oh my gosh. Okay, there were people, so I got nervous. No, this is not it. Oh, this is where I have to be though. Right? Not me lost in Evans. Or I've never lived in Ellicott, so I don't know how to get around. If it's Governor's though, I don't think I know my way around. But Ellicott is so confusing. Stop. I hate when the elevator does that. What? Elevator? This is it. This is it. She wasn't in there. So, now how do I get to the Evans Lounge? I'm lost. Freak. Yeah, I don't know. I think I need to go down there. Oh god, guys. Oh no, the main lounge. Which is where I was, but there was people there. Freak, guys. I hate this. Okay, guys, I found Jonathan and Giselle. Oh, Giselle found me. She saved me after being lost, like, and running into the same person 6 times. But we made it.
The bit that you guys have to
I think this is hilarious because I had no idea this was there when I was filming it, and I just now realized. Hi guys, good morning. It's actually storming outside. Like, it's a winter storm all day today, all day tomorrow. I'm gonna show you. But I woke up, I got ready. I have class at 9:30, and I have a little bit of time, but I'm thinking I might just hop on the bus early and go get breakfast at Tim's, and then that way I can like take my time and then go to class afterwards. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. And I've just been watching Emma Chamberlain's podcast / her feature on Call Me Daddy's podcast, or on the Call Me Daddy podcast. I just really love Emma, and she's so mature, and I really just appreciate her perspective on life. But yeah, I guess I can show you guys the fit for today. So we're wearing this sweater from Shein. I don't know how to tuck things in nicely. Like, I'm not very good at that. And then I'm wearing these like dress pants that are actually like thrifted. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna like honestly head out. I'm gonna put on some shoes. And this is my Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. I've actually been struggling to like find a perfume that I like. I like this one, but I kind of want something that's like even more sweet. I don't know. If you guys have like really good perfumes, comment them down below because I've been searching. we're back from class. Sheesh. I'm back in my room. I got some sushi because, you know, that was the shortest line in SU. And I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it. Oh my god, my hair. Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen. I don't know if I've ever vlogged in the kitchen before, but I'm warming up some food. But I want to show you guys, like, because it's all windows here and it's like we're in the middle of like a winter storm. So it like kind of looks cool because I'm not outside in the cold. Guys, say hi to my vlog.
What's up?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Sure.
She's famous.
A celebrity.
Serena. You hear that? Oh. We're in our staff meeting, guys. Let's pray. How long do you think it's gonna last?
2 hours.
Okay, it's 7:30. I will keep a good foot forward. I'll say 8:30.
Alright, let's hope for that.
1 hour. We'll see. So I was right. The meeting ended at like before 8:30 actually. So now I am running to staff meeting. To tryouts for LAKEY. I'm getting bundled up because it's a blizzard out there. I put on my snow boots. We got the backpack, but we're gonna wait for the bus, so hopefully that doesn't take long. I'm gonna bring my headphones just in case I look crazy. I feel like I look like my mom. Anyways, full length with my winter boots. I look crazy, but we're on our way. It's honestly like really light snow, like it's not terrible. I think it's just like hard to maneuver if you're not wearing the proper equipment. And by that I mean like snow boots. But it's like fun, like I would totally go sledding right now. Yeah, if I didn't have to go to tryouts, but whew, never mind the wind. It's the wind. It's the wind with the snow in your eyes. For sure. Okay, there's people now, so I'm gonna go. Good morning, guys. Ooh, I didn't even make my bed yet, but I'm doing laundry. It's Friday. The snow has finally stopped. It was supposed to snow all the way until 2 p.m. today, but it seems like it stopped already. So I guess that's good. What else? I only have one class today. According to my schedule, I have 2. But my professor says on Fridays we have reading days, so we don't go to class, which is fine. But that means I'm only going to class just for 50 minutes. So, am I still going to get dressed and look nice and do my hair and make makeup? Yeah. But yeah, it's fine. So we have more tryouts tonight at 7, so I have to do that tonight. So I'm still in the process of doing laundry, but while my clothes has been washing, I want to show you guys how I get organized for school. So I have an iPad and I use Google Calendar, and I use 2 different accounts. The one on my iPad I use solely for like my school assignments and my exams, and then the one on my phone I use for like any like meetings or like RA responsibilities, like other responsibilities. That way it's not all mumble jumbled in like one place, because personally that overwhelms me. So as you can see, I color coordinate stuff, so I'll have like all of my classes, and then I'll just put like all of the due dates and everything. But yes, I'll just write everything down and I'll put all the due dates there. You can put reminders as well if you'd like, but it comes really in handy, especially when it comes time for like finals and stuff. You can also put all of your assignments on an Excel spreadsheet,
by like name, date, like date assigned, date due, whatever. And you can coordinate a color by class, and then at the end you can filter all of those rows to a dated order. That way it'll be in order of like till from now to the end of the semester, and like that way you see all of your classes like lined up with like what due dates come first. So that's another really good idea that I've been seeing a lot of people doing. I just haven't done it because like the system works really well for me. So but yeah, besides that, still doing laundry. I still haven't made my bed, that's why you guys can't see that, but we're going to do that. Get ready, finish laundry, go to class. So I found out that my class was actually canceled. She sent an email saying that, I don't know, it kind of made, there was no reason for her to cancel class, but whatever. So I got dressed. I'm wearing this like plaid sweater vest with like a button down and then some like leggings and my Steve Madden boots. And I'm just going to go wrap it up and get something to eat, and I'm gonna come back and do work, make phone calls. I'm gonna edit this YouTube video. I did my hair, did my makeup, and we're just gonna go get something to eat. My earmuffs keep sliding. Anyways, hi guys. What did I do today? I'm just sitting in my room doing work all day long. Now I'm going to SU to get some dinner, and then I'm going to go to tryouts as per usual. So let's go. It's honestly not that cold outside. I can very much just walk, but I'm gonna take the bus. Okay, so I'm back from tryouts now. I showered, I got ready for bed. I've been actually editing this video for the last like hour or so, and it's like midnight now, but I wanted to like close it off because I think I'm gonna go to bed in a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed my first week of classes vlog. It definitely was a lot of fun to like be filming it and to be able to like look back at like what I've done this week and stuff. Even if I didn't go that much into detail, let me know what parts of the video was your favorite, or different things that you guys kind of want to see more about, or just curious to like know more about, then definitely let me know. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for being here, for being subscribed, for just like watching and being interested, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.